Magandang araw po sa lahat. Good morning to all. We are here now in Puninti, Higakit, Philippines. We are using now Kubota model, Kubota L5018 Rotavator. Welcome to this channel. If you like this content, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Grabe ka tubig ba yo? It's rainy season, month of November. Rainy season here in Caraga, Philippines, month of November. We are serving you this kind of content. Agricultural machinery. This is kind of farming. Rice farming in the Philippines. Just keep on watching. God bless you guys. Sundan natin. Ganda, galing. Woo! The best tractor. Woo! Nice, nice. Galing ng operator, guys, oh. Best operator. The best operator of all time. Grabe pa yo. Ganda, nice. Just keep on watching. Take care and enjoy. Grabe yo. Nice, nice, nice. Kapit tubig, oh. Punto. Kapit tubig, guys. Sundan natin guys tubig. Ganda, guys. Lubong-lubong na sa tubig, oh. Grabe. Oh. Grabe, guys. Yes. Nice, nice, nice. Galing. Woo! Tubig ba yo? The best, guys. Woo! Grabe tubig oh. Pa mo ito tubig. Sige. Laban lang tayo. This is our life here in the Philippines. Our life of being a farmer. Grabe oh. Demonstration talaga si Kuya oh. Nice demonstration. Kina?